primarily we want to be raising money and buying Bitcoin. We keep our mining on operational and we probably keep adding to it in a small way over the course of the next 6 months or a year. But we just want to stack Bitcoin in the most efficient way possible. And right now that's just buying on the market.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined on the line by Huey Rattray. He's CEO of Binance. Huey, great to speak with you again. You've just added close to 38 Bitcoin to the treasury. That follows your oversubscribed wrap offer. What drove the timing of the latest purchase, and how do you view current Bitcoin levels?
Hi, Stephen. Thanks for having me. I think in terms of timing, like I've reflected before to the market, that we're not that price sensitive. If we can get in on a dip, that's great. We have a strategy for buying when we raise money, and we DCA sensibly in that. But I think Bitcoin stayed at this level and kind of treaded water here for quite a while now, and I think we're moving towards a big move upwards.
What does onboarding Fidelity Digital Assets mean for Binance in terms of custody, credibility, and future institutional engagement?
Yeah, so Fidelity are institutional grade custody. It's a lot safer and a lot more acceptable for auditors and for exchanges and for the stock exchange and for investors for us to have custody with a group like Fidelity. There are various treasury companies on the market that kind of self-custody, and that's kind of been the theme within Bitcoin, and it's kind of meant to be the messaging behind it. But I think when you're on the capital markets, there's a different story. You have a sort of responsibility to your investors, and you can't guarantee safety with self-custody.
Huey, with nearly 59 Bitcoins now held in your treasury, what's your longer term plans for scaling the treasury, and how will you balance mining operations with direct Bitcoin acquisitions?
Yeah, so primarily we want to be raising money and buying Bitcoin. We keep our mining on operational and we probably keep adding to it in a small way over the course of the next 6 months or a year. But we just want to stack Bitcoin in the most efficient way possible. And right now that's just buying on the market and raising money to do so.
Huey, I hope you'll continue to keep us updated with your progress. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you, Stephen. Thanks for having me.
Very welcome. Huey Rattray, the CEO of Binance.